What if I told you that you might feel stronger, more mobile, and less frail when you wake up, even as you become older, just by changing your evening routine? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But the truth is that losing muscle doesn't have to be a normal part of getting older. You may actually add a simple, natural ingredient to your food tonight that will protect your muscles even as you sleep. Stay with me, and I'll show you how one tiny improvement can greatly improve your strength, mobility, and independence. Please leave a comment below. I read everyone, and it really makes me feel closer to you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell symbol so you never miss additional health recommendations for seniors. It's a simple, cheap method that hospitals already utilize to help keep patients' muscles strong. And the best thing is, it keeps working while you sleep. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'll teach you how to use it with one simple thing to get twice the results. If you're over 60, you may have realized that it's getting tougher to stay active and powerful like you used to be. You may have noticed that your arms seem weaker, your legs fatigue more readily, and even simple things like getting up from the couch or going up the stairs may have become harder. That's a hallmark of sarcopenia, which is when you lose muscle as you get older. But here's the thing. Even though getting older may speed up this process, you can slow it down and even get back some of the strength you've lost. It all starts with what you eat and when you eat it. The nutrient that keeps your muscles strong. So what's the secret? HMB, beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate, is a food that changes the game for older people. Your body makes HMB from leucine, an important amino acid that can be found in foods including eggs, dairy, and meat. Leucine is used by your body to make HMB when you eat foods high in protein. HMB helps protect your muscles and repair muscle tissue. And the best part? You don't have to exercise for HMB to work. It works its magic as you sleep, helping your muscles heal and grow again overnight so that you wake up feeling stronger. Can you believe it? A nutrient that protects your strength and independence while you sleep. How getting older affects your muscles. As we become older, our muscles don't work as well at turning protein into HMB, even if we're eating plenty of it. It's like attempting to mend a leaky tap. The pipe just can't keep up with all the water. This process slows down as we get older, and by the time you're in your 60s, you're already losing muscle faster. This is why older people might still lose muscle, even if they strive to eat carefully. It's not that you didn't try hard enough. It's just that your body is changing naturally. What can you do about it? The answer is easier than you might expect. You don't need to buy expensive supplements or start a crazy training plan. You can start doing something tonight that will make a difference. Why this is important for you. Why should you worry about all of this? Well, the truth is that keeping your muscles strong as you become older is not just about looking nice. It's also about staying independent. Doing everyday things is easier when your muscles are strong, like getting up from a chair, carrying groceries, or even playing with your grandkids. But when your muscles start to atrophy, those simple tasks get tougher, and you can lose your freedom. That's where HMB comes in. It's a natural way to help you keep your muscles strong, no matter how old you are. How to make your muscles healthier without working out. You might be saying to yourself, but I don't work out like I used to. Don't worry. HMB works even if you don't go to the gym. You don't have to work out at a high level to keep your muscles safe. The brilliance of HMB is that it works on a metabolic level. HMB helps your body develop muscle tissue and stop it from breaking down, even if you can't move about as much. And the best thing is, eating the correct foods is the first step in this procedure. The hidden ingredient. What does HMB mean? So, what is HMB? Leucine is an amino acid that is present in foods like eggs, chicken, and dairy. When you eat leucine, your body makes HMB. It helps heal muscles and stops them from breaking down. As you get older, your body makes less HMB. This is why it's so vital to eat more foods high in leucine. To put it simply, you can't generate HMB without enough leucine, and your muscles won't get the protection they require without enough HMB. The best foods to eat are cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and more. Do you want to discover how to help your muscles right now? It's not as hard as you think. The meals that help your body make HMB are easy to find and taste good. Leucine is abundant in cottage cheese, which makes it a wonderful bedtime snack. Greek yogurt, eggs, and even salmon are all great foods that are high in leucine. These meals not only assist make HMB, but they also help keep your muscles healthy and stop them from breaking down. Adding these nutrients to your diet will help your muscles stay strong and healthy. Ways to easily include these foods to your diet. So, how can you make these foods a part of your daily life? Let's keep it simple. Eat eggs or Greek yogurt for breakfast. They are high in protein and leucine, which will assist your muscles heal all day. Have some cottage cheese before bed. This protein takes a long time to digest, so it will release leucine as you sleep, which will help protect your muscles. Put salmon on your plate for lunch or dinner, or add a hard-boiled egg to a salad. These foods are high in protein and will keep your muscles going all day. You don't have to let muscle loss run your life. You may help your muscles and keep your strength by eating the correct foods, such as cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, eggs, and salmon. You don't need to do a lot of hard workouts or buy pricey supplements. Changes that are easy to make and fit seamlessly into your daily life. Begin now and see the change. Don't let losing muscle take away your freedom. Make these easy changes today, and if you want to stay strong as you get older, click the subscribe button right now for more advice on how to do so.